27, which is the final parak found in Parashat Bo, which is the beginning of Parak Yud Gimel, Pasuk Aleph. The Pasuk begins with a specific mitzvah that we're going to study. Vaydaber Hashem el Moshe lemor. Hashem said to Moshe, saying, Kadesh li kol bechor. Kadesh li means sanctify to me every firstborn. Firstborn, we'll see which type of firstborn. But Peter kol rechem bibnei Yisrael. The first of each womb among the children of Bnei Israel, ba'adam u'ba'behema, of man or of animal, which means it doesn't matter whether it's a firstborn of a man or of human beings or firstborn of an animal. Lihu, they are mine or is mine. The firstborn, the Peter kol rechem, is mine and is sanctified. It becomes holy and belongs to Hashem. So Rashi here on the words Peter kol rechem, Rashi sees this word Peter. Is kind of confused. What does Peter mean? We don't see this word often. Peter kol rechem. So Rashi says, Shepatach et harechem techila. It is the fetus or the child, whether it's a human or an animal. Shepatach et harechem techila, that opened the womb first. So obviously the womb is part of the mother, right? So the baby, the infant, the fetus that opened the womb and came out first, that is called Peter. That's lashon of shepatach, of opening. He brings a few examples here. Kemo poter maim reshit madon, right? So poter maim that's a pasuk found in Mishlei, which is like one who makes water burst forth. Right, so it's like the first opening, or Yaftiru Besafa. Okay, Yaftiru Besafa is a pasuk in Tehillim. That means Yiftechu Sefatayim. They will open their lips. All right, so we see the lashon of Peter means opening. So this is the beginning of the mitzvah of obviously what we have today, Pidyon Haben. Right, Pidyon Haben is where the father of a firstborn son has to sanctify, has to redeem his son from the Kohen, because the firstborn son is holy, and it comes from this pasuk Kadesh li kol bechor, that Hashem is commanding us that we have to sanctify the firstborn, the first one that opened the womb, whether it's Adam or Behema, lihu. Here the pasuk tells us why. Why do I have to do so? Because the firstborn, Hashem is saying, belongs to me. It is mine. Rashi says, le'atzmi kinitim. Le'atzmi kinitim means I have acquired them for myself. Al yedeh shehiketi bechore Mitzrayim. Because through the killing or the smiting of the firstborns of Egypt. And therefore, because I killed the firstborns of Egypt, so therefore the firstborns to me are very precious. In fact, I saved you, the firstborns, so therefore they're precious to me, the Jewish firstborns, and therefore they belong to me. The truth is, the entire universe is God's. So many people ask a question, like, what does it mean lihu? Oh, the firstborns are mine. What? And the non-firstborns are not Hashem's? The whole world belongs to Hashem. It's His world, right? Yeah, He gave it to us to run. So what is the meaning of lihu? Latzmi kinitim. Everything is really belong to Hashem. So here, that's what Rashi is specifically saying. So Rashi is explaining the pasuk as saying that the firstborn are His in a special sense. Obviously, everything belongs to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, but the firstborn is His in a special sense. How? Because through His acquisition, through His acquiring of the firstborn, by sparing them when He killed the firstborns of Egypt, they became inherently, automatically holy. The fact that they were born makes them holy, even if they were not designated as such by human beings. So I don't have to designate a firstborn child or a firstborn animal as something holy. The fact that they were born and they're the Peter kol rechem, they're the first to come out of the womb, that makes them intrinsically holy, inherently holy from the moment they're born, as a result of Hashem sparing them when He killed the firstborns of Egypt.